Good morning, friends. Today, I am here to tell you one of the most important topic related to your job search and career, and that is modern job search approach. I know there is a challenge, but there is a need, strong need. And each one of us need to be clear about what is modern job search approach. So modern job search approach is going to take you to evaluate and analyze. In self-evaluation, we may have to unlearn many things which we have been following. We may have to relearn some of the new things, and that will bring the transformation within us. See, we all know that for sales process, if you have a product and if you want to increase the sales, what do? You need to have a bigger funnel, a segment, a very bigger segment where you are focusing on the product. We do a lot of marketing activities. We increase our funnel, and then we are able to sell the targeted whatever is our target for the month or quarter or the year. So we go in a systematic approach. But in job, how we are going? In job, we go whatever our colleagues say, whatever our friends, our family members, near and dears. I have seen many people, they will take the CV from other person, change the names, change the detail, education, other things, and just forward it. And result you are seeing. What is the result? You keep on applying, nothing comes. So modern job search approach is focusing on generating a very big funnel of leads for your interview. You should get multiple calls. And if you have multiple calls, you are confident and you are in a position to decide where to join. So how you can generate a lot of leads? Number one, you should be aware that with the changing times, what I need to think, how I need to think. Am I in a fixed mindset or in a growth mindset? Most of us, most of the time, we tend to be in fixed mindset. Whatever is going on, we are there in that frame of mind. So in fixed mindset, we keep on, tend to blame the situation, the environment, the economy, the other things. This is not there, that is not there. And eventually, we don't see the opportunities around us. But if you have a growth mindset, so you see the opportunity even in bad times. Economy is not growing, that is the time I need to work hard. I need to acquire more information, more knowledge. And after every dip in economy, you see the cycle recessions for centuries together. There is always a high growth, always. So you have to see where is your focus. Are you in the present or are you focusing on what you want? If you start focusing on wherever you are, then it will be little difficult to move forward. So you see where you want to be and focus on that and work accordingly. Take help, take guidance. You need to be updated. So once we talk of the modern job search approach, and we need to create a lot of leads so that we have a lot of calls. So what we need to do in modern job search approach, our focus is not on the job portals, maybe a fraction of it. In the traditional job search approach, we majorly send our resume CVs to job portals. But here our focus is not at all job portals. Maybe we may use them, but it is as a fraction. Our major focus is on our network. So we need to make use of the social media. And in social media, the most important tool for the professional is LinkedIn. I'm sure most of you have started using LinkedIn, probably may not be that effectively. And you must be aware that as per the LinkedIn data, as on today, it is around 675 million people connected with LinkedIn. Almost all Fortune 500 companies, more than 90% recruiters are using LinkedIn. You know, they are directly recruiting through LinkedIn. Then more than 90 million influencers, more than 63 million top decision makers are on LinkedIn. Recruiters are on LinkedIn. So once you are looking for a job and all decision makers and recruiters are on LinkedIn, more than 90% companies are now using LinkedIn. Where we need to be? We need to be where employers are, where recruiters are, where they are searching for the people. So we need to be active on LinkedIn, and we need to increase our networking. You know, every person has a network, but what happens that if I was there in some company, I moved to the another company, I am in touch with some of the people, I was good, but I am not in touch. What you need to do, if you are looking for a job change, for a career growth, start working on LinkedIn. I will come up with the exclusive session on LinkedIn maybe later someday, but I will just tell you, start working on your LinkedIn profile and develop the LinkedIn mindset. LinkedIn mindset is a giving mindset. Add value to others, contribute for the community, and you know, whatever we give, we get back that. So once you have connected with the many people, and keep engaging with them, keep adding value to them, gradually you will find that you are developing a very good network. And you know, there is a one term used, your network is your net worth. Follow the rule of 33%. I will come up in detail in the next. So what you can do as a modern job search approach when you are working, that you don't focus on the job portals. Today all recruiters are looking and going through the LinkedIn profile. Even without applying, your profile is being searched. Your profile should be updated. Today, you can decide where you need to join, which industry, which companies, which city. You can shortlist, you can design your job, you can shortlist at your own. These are my target companies. Make a list of 15 to 20. Start connecting with the hiring managers and recruiters of those companies through LinkedIn. Today it is possible. Maybe you are aware, maybe you are not aware. Keep connecting, keep contributing. So your visibility, your credibility can be enhanced through social media. You may be very good, you may be very talented, you may be very hardworking, you may be very positive. How others people will know? You must have had many achievements. You must have contributed for the growth of the organization you are there. But how you are going to convey if you are not able to reach to somebody? So before reaching anyone, you have to have a different mindset. You don't have to go as a victim mindset as you are following in the traditional job search approach. I need a job. See, you go with a mindset, very important, that yes, I have this, I can contribute, I can add value to the company, I can increase the profit, I can, reduce the issues, I can solve some of the problems. So I can contribute. When you have a giver or a contributor attitude, you will be positive, and you will impact everywhere in all levels. Even before you are called for interview, your profile is out. So make use of LinkedIn, make use of the social media to increase your visibility, to enhance your credibility, and keep working on yourself. It's about working. It's not a one-day event. Keep putting some articles, keep doing something. I'll tell you little more next time about the LinkedIn, importance of LinkedIn rather. So it is an important part. The LinkedIn is one of the important part of the modern job search approach. So there are other aspects. There is an aspect of how to design the LinkedIn profile, how to, it's your CV, it's your resume. LinkedIn profile is your resume. So it has to be in that way that it is attractive. We have to attract the people towards us. You have to become so powerful, so important that people are attracted to you. Remember, even if now you are called through other means, your LinkedIn profile is going to be checked before you get a call for the interview. Keep working on the LinkedIn profile. Keep increasing your network. Keep engaging with the people. Keep contributing. You should get a lot of calls. And few points I have covered. Pay attention. It will be continued. Thanks for watching the video. Have a good day. Thank you.